So with me I have Nandu Natekar, the badminton legend from yesteryear, and he's going to tell us interesting things about what a champion sportsman thinks like. So sir, whenever you went into a game, what was your approach? Of course, champions like you would think differently.
Well, I think the first approach was to make sure that you played your best game and that you enjoyed it. The results, of course, then was not exactly secondary, and one liked to win. So that was the motive always, whenever I went to play, to win.
And you just spoke about meeting Sachin Tendulkar long back in the counties. Then looking at the young boy, did you ever imagine, he would be today what he is?
No, I think he was a bit of an icon even then, but it is over the years. Of course, he showed all the promise. There is no question, and you can never predict the future. You can predict the future, but for it to happen, it has really to happen, which happened in Sachin's case.
So finally, any words you'd like to say, about Sachin and the other Indian sportsmen who have achieved a lot over these
Well,
years?
I think Sachin can be a tremendous role model, not only for his achievements in sports, in cricket and whatever, but because of his excellent mannerisms. You see, I mean, he's always had his feet on the ground, very, very modest, and that's the base. That's why his performances shine even more.